Guys, welcome back to the Talented House of Beauty. It's your girl, and I'm bringing y'all a video of a style that I did. I told y'all I'm a little late. I'm a little late with my video, and let me adjust my camera. I'm a little late with my video. I said I was gonna make videos of braids for one point in 1 month at one point in time. But I'm bringing y'all something new and different. Like I said, it's a little bit late, but the video was out there. So here's the finish. I know a lot of people, they put the braids, they do the braids like this and then wrap it in a bun. But I decided to put my natural hair in a bun. And you know, I wanted to dress it up. I put the two little braids on the sides. And I wanted to dress it up. And here's the back. I wanted to dress it up and put some beads at the ends and put like the little jewelry, but I was working with what I had, which was like little costume jewelry. But I put it on here and just rocked it out like that and with the little bun. So, as far as the hair, I don't know. For some reason, I don't do good blend or like adding hair as I'm braiding with my own hair. I do better adding it at the ends because for some reason when I do it like that, my hair tends to break off and or fall out or whatever you want to say. I'm almost 2 minutes in this video. I'm making nice, short, and sweet. But and guys, I'm super excited to put this video out to y'all. So this is the finish of the braids, and then I'm gonna transition into doing my hair like this but in a different style. So it's a good thing that I did my hair like this because I could go straight into the next style that I'm gonna do, that I'll be bringing you a video on. And there's a few things that I have to present out to you guys. And of course, I've been saying I was going to make a video of my product that I use for my locks, so I'll be bringing you guys that shortly. And again, my other video of my next style that I'm going to do, this was something that's, something different I decided to try. And this is, it's like I said, my video was a little short, a little late. But I brought it to y'all, so y'all ain't got the, we got some juicy stuff going on. I'm 3 minutes in the video. We got some juicy stuff going on at the Talented House of Beauty. Like, comment, subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and shout out to the beat maker who on this beat. Who own this beat. I love this beat. So I'm gonna put all the information, the juicy information, right in the description box. So y'all can like, comment, subscribe, give it a thumbs up. Again, we at the Talented House of Beauty, and this is my nice, sexy, sophisticated style. And I hope y'all liked my video. And I hope you guys found this video helpful in any way, shape, form, or fashion. Because I be wanting to bring y'all the juiciness, okay? The juiciness. So when I bring y'all the juiciness, okay. Well, thank you guys for watching my video. Bye.